Welcome. We are here to assist with your buying and selling needs. If you have questions or would like to schedule a personal tour, please give us a call today at 706-799-0873 extension 3 bedroom/2 bath ranch home on a 1/2 acre lot with a 30 by 24 workshop/detached double garage. Laminate wood floors in living area, carpet in bedrooms. Great room has tray ceiling, tiled wood burning fireplace. Kitchen with electric range, dishwasher, and refrigerator that stays. Blinds throughout. Master bedroom with tray ceiling. Coat closet and laundry closet. Security system. Sprinkler system. Double driveway. Privacy fenced yard with drive-thru gates on both sides. Double garage/workshop has single roll-up door, side entry door, shelving and separate power meter, great for woodworking, mechanics workshop or storage. Home backs up to woods so no neighbors in the back. Country living in a small one-street quiet neighborhood that ends in a cul-de-sac. Approximately 20 minutes to either Plant Vogtle or Ft. Gordon. Total electric. Septic.